Hello and welcome back. Susan Zummo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. For this week, I was told that there will be an angelic and cosmic inflow. That sounds really good, doesn't it? I'm looking forward to that. I heard a warming of the heart is going to start to occur in this second week of July. Warming of the heart openings. They said, imagine, if you will, all the beings of light, love, and high frequency. Imagine them all standing around you and sending you from their heart center to yours. Loving energy, light energy, high frequency, unconditional love. And they said, if you will do that for just a moment and allow that frequency to come into your body, to come into your heart and expand your heart and fill you, then all you need to do is carry that with you wherever you go. Every interaction, every moment of your day, that energy will be with you. You can breathe it in and you can exhale it out. And I thought that was an excellent exercise and a way to start the day so that wherever you are or whatever you do, you will have a warming of the heart. And when your heart is warmed and open, it allows others to step into that energy, to step into that environment, and a softening occurs for them as well. Visualize, feel, and know those beings all around you, 360 degrees, sending you their love into your heart, front and back, and carry that with you all day. I was told that when the heart warms and opens, intuition increases. It improves naturally. I was told that healing will increase, and you can project that healing energy to everything and everyone in your environment. They said relationships will improve or they will dissolve peacefully, without drama, without upheaval, without a reason to have a conflict. They will just dissolve peacefully for everyone involved. I heard physical stress will be on the rise in this coming week and weeks. And that is because of the influx of energy. All that high frequency energy that's coming in, that angelic inflow, that cosmic inflow that is coming in during the month of July in anticipation of the Lion's Gate opening, is going to cause physical stress. So if you have been experiencing physical ascension symptoms, they're not going to go away. I'm sorry. We may be able to balance them. We may find ways to mitigate them. But I know for myself that I can sit in a cold room and I am roasting. I haven't had hot flashes like this in probably 30 years. So it's been exciting, to say the least, right? We're still feeling some of those symptoms that we're going through, and that's okay. I'd like to say that they're going to dissolve and go away, but that's not what I heard this morning, so I'm just going to pass that on to you. However, if we know that physical stress is on the rise, let's be preventative, right? Let's not involve ourselves in things that are going to cause more stress. Let's be conscious of the stressors in our life and seek to avoid them, mitigate them, right? Stay away from stressful situations if you can. Don't call up the person that you know stresses you to the max. Work on it yourself internally and release that little button inside of you. Physical stress is going to happen as a result of environmental changes as well. And so as the weather shifts and becomes more intense, We're going to see more extremes in weather and more weather events happening. So as outer events happen, it will impinge on the physical as well. And so we must be prepared for that. Be aware of your environment and be aware of your surroundings, and then do what you need to do to bring yourself into balance each day. Now, I am reminded that warming the heart and inviting that energy in will go a long way to taking care of that for you. I'm also hearing now as I speak to remember to bubble up. Place that bubble of white light around you even as you move throughout your day and come into contact with others whose frequencies might not be exactly where yours is. We can still have an open heart. We can still share our love and energy with the world and still keep up that bubble of protection for ourselves. Two things can exist in the same place, so don't stress it, right? No stress. I was told to make friends with nature. Get a plant if you don't have one. Connect with nature. Connect with nature, right? So if you are in a place where you cannot have plants in your environment, then go ahead and find a plant outside. Talk to your neighbor's flowers. Talk to your trees in the neighborhood, right? Make a friend. You don't have to sit there and meditate and stress and strain yourself for an hour to make a connection. Just say hello. Just send some energy. Just be open to communication. Making friends with nature and connecting with nature will also go a long way to de-stressing us, right? Nature is very, very calming, very peaceful in a lot of ways, right? So don't connect with all of the upheaval that's going on in nature right now. Connect with a plant. Make friends with nature. I heard that it doesn't have to be a plant. It can be crystals. It can be water, right? If you have natural water in your environment, maybe you have a little creek or a little, tributary or river or something. Make friends with nature. I was told that crystal conversations will be possible. Water conversations will be possible. So if you are inclined to pick up a crystal and start talking and communicating, do it. The same with water. Water and crystals are open to conversation. So not just plants. The mineral kingdom is there for us as well. Animals are absolutely wonderful. If you have a pet and you're communicating with that pet, that's great. But this advice was given to us to expand our conversations, to expand our connections. So if you have a beloved pet, that's wonderful. Then look into connecting with a plant or the mineral kingdom, right? So the plant kingdom or the mineral kingdom for those of us, or water, right? For those of us who are already experiencing a connection with pets. I was actually told to steer away from fire connections because we are already purging. We are already burning karma. Many of us are already working with the fire element, and we don't need to bring more of that in at this time. I heard that there could be new learning opportunities as we connect to these different elements. And so if we keep an open mind and an open heart, new knowledge will be given to us. And I found that very exciting. I was told to hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. If you can, get in water, drink water. If you have to get a little mister and mist yourself, go ahead and do that. The energy that's coming in is going to burn the fluids in our bodies, and we will experience dehydration. I was told that as that energy comes in and burns up the water and the liquid inside my body, that's why I'm experiencing those steamy hot flashes. So it's going to be important to stay hydrated. Recognize that the energy coming in is burning up. It is a purifying energy. It's an accelerating energy and an expansive energy at the same time. So we've got to balance that. I heard flow with the energies. Just flow with it, right? If you are feeling heat, if you are getting those dry lips or dry skin, that's a reminder to hydrate. Rest, I heard. Continue to rest when needed. If at all possible, do not push. Be open, but do not push. Everyone is going to experience an upliftment, an opening, and I heard that greater intuition and greater connection to our higher, our soul, will be even more possible in the month of July. So we have good things ahead. We have wonderful things to look forward to this month. And I'm just going to say, stay cool, everybody. Have a wonderful week and many, many blessings to you.